Hi, I'd like to do a quick review of the Sharp KS-70T50BHH-EN single built-in electric oven. Okay, I got this oven from AO.com. Delivery guys Steve and Chris delivered this on a Sunday. Good communication, got the email saying what the 4-hour window will be, and then that was updated and I got a phone call just beforehand with a more exact time. So usual high quality service from AO.com. The oven itself, it's single built in. It's a black glass design. It's got touch control. As you can see, you get loads of sort of shelves and trays. With it you get 2 trays. On the top there I've got a single tray. In the oven there's a deep tray. We've got a couple of different wire racks. We've got a couple of smaller shelves, handle for the grill, and as you'll see over there, I'm going to give a go at what I think is a unique feature of this oven, the Turnspit Roast Pro, I think they call it. So like I say, what you've got there is you've got the sort of bum fin here that comes with it. So it's got an LCD display. There's automated cooking programs on there. I'll go through those. As I said, they've got a Roast Pro Turnspit, soft closed door, telescopic rails, and a thing called VAP Clean. I haven't had a look at that yet. I'm not sure how that works, but like I say, it's brand new, so I don't plan on cleaning it anytime soon. So let's go through. So you've got to press the on button, and like I say, that brings up the LCD display. So when you first switch it on, what you've got is you've got a control menu. You can scroll up and down using the buttons. You've got a settings. So the settings, you can go down, you set your clock, brightness level of the display, the buzzer tone, and so on. You press this button here to go backwards. What you've got is you've got different modes here. So as I said, one of the modes is a thing called auto cooking. I'll just show you this. What you can do is you can select the type of dish that you are going to use. So we've got poultry, you've got baked dishes, breads and pastries, cakes and cookies, desserts, seafood, meat, and so on. The way this works is you select the type of food, then you've got some preset options. We've got chicken casserole, whole turkey, guinea fowl, chicken drumsticks, pheasant, Peking duck, partridge, goose, and so on. So you select whichever one. So for example, if you were cooking a partridge, never done it, don't intend to, but hey ho. So we are cooking a partridge, we'll select its weight. So again, you select the buttons, and so if we've got 900 gram, and then it tells you what shelf to put it on, and it'll give you an end time. And what you do with this oven is you press play to cook, and as you can see, it's there cooking for a set amount of time. One of the nice features as well of this oven is that you can pause cooking, so you can pause it as it's going along. So when you do have your cooking in place, basically the oven light comes on, which I think is good, so you can see what's happening. Like I say, the oven itself shuts down automatically when you open the door, so it's a nice safety feature. It's got a nice soft close door on it as well, so it's going to carry on cooking now. So as I said, these features, auto cook, I personally think it's a bit gimmicky. I can't see myself using it. It's got some strange stuff in there. So if we look at, like say, some of the other options, let's have a look at the baked ones. So dishes that you could look at, you've got lasagna, Kiev meatballs, German pancakes, whatever they are, sausage sticks, pizza, mashed eggplant, no idea, paella, and so on. So I can see possibly some use coming out of that, but my main use is going to be the manual mode. I'll run you through this. So with the manual mode, what you've got is you've got different functions. So this cooker's got a grill, it's got a top heater and a bottom heater, which means that the cooking is fan assisted, so which means that the temperature in the oven It's really constant. The food that we've cooked so far on it has been really good. So again, scroll you through the options. You've got full grill and fan. So I think that's the grill plus the top heating element and the fan. You've got the full grill, which is the top heating element and the grill. Just the grill itself. You've got pizzas where you've just got the bottom heating element on plus the fan. Fan assisted cooking, as I said, that's good. It's good constant temperature, good results. Conventional cooking without the fan. Turbo, not really sure what the turbo one does, and defrost. So I'm going to set it on that. So temperature range, temperature goes down to I think 50 degrees up to a maximum of 275. Some of the options let you use the boost function. I think that shortens preheating time, but I'm not again 100% certain because there's not a lot of information in the instructions on all the features. So cooking duration, this is a nice neat feature. There's two things that you can do. So I've set my cooking duration for 1 hour and 50 minutes because I'm going to cook a chicken in a minute. It'll tell you what the end time is. If I decided that I wanted to have this end time say at 5:30, I set that, I press play, and now it's got a countdown timer. It's going to start automatically, which I think is a nice feature, which means that you can just put your food in and then it's going to be ready at 5:30, so it's counting down 12 minutes and then it's going to turn everything on at that time. So I'm just going to get stuff ready because one of the features, and this is the first time that I'm going to be using this, is you got this handy little turn spit thing. So I'm going to have a go at cooking with this. So there's a little hole at the back. I don't know whether you can see it there, a little hole. You've got to slide this in, and then there's a handle. You've got to take the handle off because otherwise the door won't shut. So let's close my door. I'm going to set my chicken up, and I'm looking forward to a nice roast chicken tea. So, okay, get my manual mode. I've set everything going, and I'm going to press play. And as we can see now, off we go cooking, and we'll see. Like I say, hopefully this is going to be a nice chicken tea. From what I've used the oven so far, I've been quite happy with it. I think it cooks food really well. The temperature is pretty consistent top to bottom and front to back, which our old oven we had to always rotate food and everything midway through cooking. We've not had to do that with this one, so we're happy with that. There's 5 different shelves there, so you can fit loads of stuff in, so we can cook a few things at once. Plenty of room there. The only downside that I found with this oven is the instructions. I found them to be a bit brief. I've had to work certain things out myself, but once I've actually got used to it, I found it to be a pretty good oven overall. So overall, very happy with this oven. Like I say, I'm going to be looking forward to my chicken, which will be ready in 1 hour and 48 minutes. So hope you've enjoyed this review, and it's certainly an oven that I'm happy with and one that I would recommend. Thanks for watching.